School named after Mukamбет Mamбетов, teacher Уметова Алтынай. Welcome to the English lesson, my dear students. How are you? How is your mood, guys? Are you okay? Are you super? Good and fine? Or are you tired, hungry, bad, sad, or sleepy? Okay, are you happy and super? Okay, guys, what is the date today? What is the week is it today? What is the weather like today in the street? And what season is it now? Okay, it is winter. It is cold in the street. But the sun is shining today. Okay, today we have a rules, online classroom rules. You will be on time, be prepared, turn on camera, do not eat, dress appropriately, mute your mic, raise your hand, and enjoy learning. Let's enjoy this new kind of learning. Today we have a new theme, past continuous. Past continuous. Past өткен чақты білдіреді, ал эми continuous ұзартылған қимыл әрекет. Өткөндөгү ұзаққа созулған чак. And today we have aims of the lesson. Okay, you will be able to use the past continuous to talk about an action in progress at a specific moment in the past. Okay, guys. It's a rules. Кана балдары, эрежесин айтып кетейин мен силерге. Өткөндөгү узакка созулган чак балдар. Кыймыл аракет башталган, бирок дагы деле ал бүтө элек. Subject plus was were plus infinitive plus ing. Балдар, past continuous'тун эрежеси, сүйлөмдүн ээси, тубе тишинин өткөн чагы, этиш жана ing мүчөсү уланса, бул past continuous. Past continuous дагы балдар экиге бөлүнөт. Жекелик жана көптүк. Singular and the plural. Мисалы, I, you, he, she, it. It's a singular. And the plural, you, we, they. For example, I was going. Мен бара жаткан болчумун. You were doing. Сен жасап жаткан болчусуң. They were reading. Алар окуп жатышкан болчу. She was playing. Ал ойноп жаткан болчу. You were seeing. Ал көрүп жаткан болчу. Жана балдар. Past continuous'тун сүйлөмдүн ээси, тубе тишинин өткөн чагы жана ing мүчөсү уланат. Мисалы, I was working. You were working. He was working. She was working. Эч кандай өзгөрүү жок. Ал эми past continuous балдар 3-кө бөлүнөт. 3 формасы бар мындайча айтканда. Affirmative, negative, interrogative forms. Жай формасы, тааныгыч формасы жана суроолуу формасы. Мисалы балдар. I was playing. I wasn't playing. Was I playing? Мен ойноп жаткан болчумун. Мен ойноп жаткан эмесмин. Мен ойноп жаткан болчумунбу. You were playing. You weren't playing. Were you playing? Сен ойноп жаткан болчусуң. Сен ойноп жаткан эмессиң. Сен ойноп жаткансыңбы? Деп которулат балдар. 9 sentence of the past continuous tense. You were watching television last night. Сен кече күнү кечинде телевизор көрүп жаткан болчусуң. Десек балдар мынаки. Кыймыл аракет башталган, бирок ал дагы деле бүтө элек. I was washing the dishes when the phone rang. Телефон шыңгырап жатканда мен идиш жууп жаткан болчумун. As she was not reading the book, Mary came. Мэри келгенде ал китеп окуп жаткан болчу. Okay guys, this is a past continuous tense worksheet. Now you please open your copybooks, write down today's date and write down this worksheet. Okay guys, the lesson was interesting today. Please show me your mood. Show me your hands. The lesson was boring. The lesson was exciting. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. And your homework. Please make up 10 sentences about past continuous. Okay guys, our time is up. The lesson is over. Thank you for your work. See you next lesson. Goodbye.